Welcome to a quick overview of frictionless enterprise and how the 5 cycles of frictionless enterprise, awareness, purpose, orientation, goal, and cadence, all work together. The most powerful conversation you will ever have is with yourself. You decide what you do and what you believe with your daily self-talk. Your self-talk shapes your perceptions and what you think is possible and your behavior. After 26 years as a military and civilian leader, I discovered that the simplest tools get the most use. FLE cycles are simple and powerful. Memorize them, practice them, and watch transformation unfold. Ask yourself a question. How many current leaders do you know are prepared for the seismic shifts in industry regulation, market conditions, supply chain shocks, and employee expectations today? How elastic is current corporate culture? That is why I invented frictionless enterprise. Our team has done transformation strategy for over 200 years of combined experience. In addition, we have done collaborative workshops with hundreds of pharmaceutical executives, fintech leaders, and expanded our understanding with extensive research of articles, white papers, publications, and books from 20th and 21st century thought leaders, including Dr. Wendy Wood of USC, Dr. Ann Morris of Harvard, the Architect Forum of Munich, Germany, and Mr. Sakichi Toyoda and Taiichi Ono of Japan. Frictionless enterprise is a concentrate of the best business, psychology, and organizational theorists from around the world. FLE does not merely teach more transformation frameworks and tools. FLE equips you to become tools of transformation. Almost half of our actions during working hours is based on non-conscious choices. That is why FLE links your internal choices with feedback loops from your team, your company, and your industry. All FLE learners start with Path 1. Ideally, you will spread your 30 lessons across 13 weeks of study. However, the lessons can be compressed to 2 weeks if necessary. Path 1 is sufficient for individual contributors and delivery-oriented employees. All FLE learners are encouraged to go on to Path 2, Path 3, and Path 4. However, your Path 1 credential must be accomplished before you are allowed to move forward in frictionless enterprise. Path 2 introduces the concepts of leadership quotient, emotional intelligence, and grit to equip people leaders to prepare their employees to innovate. Path 3 is designed for technology leaders and IT executives whose accountability is centered on human-machine interfaces. Lessons are cutting-edge development patterns paired with emotional intelligence instruction to enhance right brain and left brain leadership competence in you and your employees. Path 4 is structured to empower C-suite executives and profit and loss accountable executives to master their leadership quotient, emotional intelligence, and grit. Executives who master leadership quotient, emotional intelligence, and grit, and the frictionless enterprise cycles of awareness, purpose, orientation, goal, and cadence will inspire greatness habitually in their colleagues, their employees, and themselves. If possible, Agile Immersive recommends each path be done over a 13-week period. Go to Agile Immersive subscriptions to learn more.